Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to withdraw from Vantage to Trust Wallet. First, open the Vantage website and log into your account. Make sure your account is fully verified because withdrawals will not work if your verification is still pending. After you log in, you will see your dashboard. On this page you can view the current assets you have in your account. Right next to it is the Withdraw button. Click on the Withdraw button to start the process. When you click on Withdraw, a small form will appear. It will ask for two things. The first field is the account you want to withdraw from. The second field is the amount you want to send. Type the amount carefully and make sure it is correct because once you confirm it, the request will be processed. Next, Vantage will ask you where you want to withdraw your funds. Since I do not have money in this example account, I will show you the steps using the same method you would follow when depositing, but you will select the withdraw option instead. Look for the list of withdrawal methods offered. Here you need to select cryptocurrency as your method. After choosing cryptocurrency, select the currency you want to withdraw to. Now open your Trust Wallet app on your phone. Go to the wallet screen and choose the same currency you selected on Vantage. You will see your wallet address. Copy this address. Go back to Vantage and paste the address in the field where it asks for the destination wallet. After confirming everything, submit the withdrawal. Vantage will process it, and the funds will be transferred to your Trust Wallet once the blockchain confirms the transaction. Thanks for watching.